Ever feel like you're leaving money on the table with every quote you send out? Or maybe you're spending way too much precious time wrestling with spreadsheets and manual calculations just to get a price in front of a potential customer. If either of those scenarios rings a bell, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into a game-changing feature that can transform how you handle one of the most crucial aspects of your service business: creating estimates. We're talking about Housecall Pro and how its powerful estimation tools can streamline your workflow, boost your professionalism, and ultimately help you win more jobs. Think about it. The estimate is often the very first tangible interaction a potential client has with your business. It's your opportunity to make a stellar first impression, to clearly communicate the value you offer, and to demonstrate your attention to detail. A sloppy, confusing, or slow estimate can be a major turnoff, sending potential customers straight into the arms of your competitors. On the flip side, a well-crafted, professional estimate, delivered quickly and efficiently, can instill confidence, build trust, and significantly increase your chances of landing the job. It sets the stage for a positive customer experience right from the get-go. Now, you might be thinking, estimates are just part of the job. What's so special about how I create them? And that's a fair question. But consider the time you currently spend. Are you manually calculating costs for every line item? Are you struggling to keep track of your pricing for different services and materials? Are you finding it difficult to present your quotes in a clear and easy-to-understand format for your clients? These are all common pain points for service professionals, and they highlight the need for a more efficient and integrated solution. That's where Housecall Pro truly shines. It's not just about generating a number. It's about creating a seamless and professional experience for both you and your customers. Over the next few minutes, we're going to walk you through the ins and outs of creating estimates within Housecall Pro. We'll cover everything from setting up your service catalog to adding line items, applying discounts, and even customizing the look and feel of your estimates to match your brand. But before we jump into the practical steps, let's take a moment to appreciate the bigger picture. By leveraging a tool like Housecall Pro for your estimates, you're not just saving time and reducing errors. You're also boosting your professionalism. Sending out polished, well-formatted estimates enhances your credibility and builds trust with potential clients. Improving your efficiency. Streamlining the estimation process frees up valuable time that you can spend on other crucial aspects of your business, like actually performing the services and growing your customer base. Enhancing communication. Clear and detailed estimates leave less room for misunderstandings and ensure everyone is on the same page regarding the scope of work and the associated costs. Increasing your win rate. A professional and timely estimate can be the deciding factor for a customer choosing your services over a competitor. Maintaining consistency. Using a standardized system ensures that all your estimates are consistent in terms of formatting, pricing, and the information they include. So, are you ready to ditch the headaches and start creating estimates that not only look great, but also help you win more business? Let's dive in and see how Housecall Pro can revolutionize your estimation process. The first crucial step in creating effective estimates in Housecall Pro is setting up your service catalog. Think of this as your master list of all the services you offer, along with their standard pricing. Investing time in building a comprehensive and accurate service catalog will save you countless hours down the line. To access your service catalog in Housecall Pro, you'll typically navigate to the Settings or Catalog section within the platform. Here, you'll have the ability to add new services, edit existing ones, and organize them into categories for easier management. When adding a new service, you'll want to include key details such as service name, a clear and concise description of the service you provide, e.g., standard AC tune-up, kitchen sink installation, lawn mowing small yard. Price, your standard rate for this service. You can set a flat fee, an hourly rate, or even a price per unit, e.g., per square foot for flooring. Description, a more detailed explanation of what the service includes. This can help clarify the scope of work for your clients. Category, organizing your services into logical categories, e.g., HVAC, plumbing, landscaping, makes it easier to find and add them to estimates. Optional add-ons or materials. You can also link specific materials or add-on services to a base service. For example, with kitchen sink installation, you might have optional add-ons like new faucet installation or list common materials like supply lines with their associated costs. Take the time to be thorough and accurate when building your service catalog. The more detail you include upfront, the less you'll have to manually enter each time you create an estimate. You can also update your pricing easily within the catalog, ensuring that your estimates always reflect your current rates. Once your service catalog is set up, creating a new estimate in Housecall Pro is a breeze. Typically, you'll start by either selecting an existing customer or creating a new customer profile. Once you have the customer selected, you'll look for an option like New Estimate or a plus button that allows you to create a new document. This will open the estimate creation interface, where you'll be able to start adding the services and materials required for the job. Here's where your well-organized service catalog really pays off. Instead of manually typing in descriptions and prices for every item, you can simply browse your catalog, select the relevant services, and they'll be automatically added to the estimate with the predefined information. You can easily adjust quantities or modify the description of a service directly within the estimate if needed for a specific job. For example, if your standard lawn mowing service covers a quarter-acre yard, but this particular client has a slightly larger yard, you can adjust the quantity or add a note to reflect the difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.